Top 8 Zodiac signs who break up in love and then reconnect. How to become stronger after heartbreak. Hello friends. Welcome to Big Dream Daily Channel. Love. It is a beautiful feeling that takes us to great heights. But sometimes, it breaks us so deeply that we feel there is nothing left. Heartbreak is a universal experience that everyone goes through at some point or the other. But did you know that there are some Zodiac signs that not only recover from a heartbreak, but emerge stronger than ever? They don't run away from their emotions, but embrace them, learn from them, and rebuild themselves. Today, we will talk about the top 8 Zodiac signs that have the amazing ability to break up and then reconnect in love. We will know why they feel such deep pain, how they deal with it, and how this experience makes them a better, more resilient person. Are you one of them? Or is there someone in your life who falls into this category? So let's go on this emotional journey. 1. Scorpio. First on our list is the mysterious and intense Scorpio. It is a water sign and is ruled by Pluto, the planet of transformation. Scorpios fall head over heels in love, and that is both their strength and weakness. Why they break up? Scorpios are extremely passionate and loyal when in love. They give their all to their partner and expect the same intensity and loyalty from them. When trust is broken or they get betrayed, they feel it at the deepest level. For them, it is not just the end of a relationship, but a loss of a part of the soul. Their heart is completely shattered. How they cope? Scorpios prefer to be alone after a heartbreak. They do not share their pain with others, but process it internally. They may think deeply about how to take revenge or make things right. It is a time of deep introspection for them, where they analyze the relationship and their role. How they connect? Scorpios have the ability to rise like a phoenix from the ashes. They learn from their experiences, recognize their weaknesses, and turn them into their strengths. They become wiser, more resilient, and more fearless than ever before. They may experience love again on a deeper level, but this time they are more cautious and clear about their boundaries. They know they can face any challenge. 2. Cancer. The emotional and sensitive Cancer comes in second. It is a water sign and is ruled by the moon, which is associated with emotions and nurturing. Cancerians value relationships a lot and family is everything to them. Why they break up? Cancers want to create a safe and comfortable home with their partner. They are extremely caring and affectionate. When their relationship breaks down, especially if they are emotionally neglected or made to feel unsafe, they feel their home has been destroyed. They tend to hold a lot inside and can be deeply hurt by sudden loss. How they cope? After a heartbreak, Cancers tend to withdraw into their shells. They cry a lot, reminisce about the past, and seek solace in their close family or friends. They take a lot of time to recover emotionally and need empathy and patience from others. How they connect? Cancers make their sensitivity their strength. They learn from their experiences how to strengthen their emotional boundaries. They become more self-aware, understanding what kind of love and protection they need. They become more self-reliant and learn to nurture themselves, which makes them feel stronger and more secure in future relationships. 3. Pisces. Intuitive and dreamy Pisces is in third place. This is also a water sign and is ruled by Neptune, which is associated with intuition, art, and illusion. Pisces see love as a fairy tale. Why they break up? Pisces idealize their partner and often have rose-colored glasses. They see potential in their partner that may not be there yet and have expectations beyond reality. When reality shatters their dreams, they are deeply hurt. They feel cheated, or they feel their dream world has been shattered. How they cope? Pisces often become escapists after a heartbreak. They immerse themselves in art, music, movies, or spiritual pursuits to escape the pain. They can sometimes feel like victims and have a hard time facing reality. They use creative outlets to express their feelings. How to connect? Pisces learn from their experiences how to accept reality, but without losing their creativity and empathy. They become more prudent and realistic, but still remain compassionate. They understand that love does not mean idealizing, but accepting someone for who they are. This experience teaches them to trust their intuition more and to be more aware of their feelings. 4. Libra. At number 4 comes the fair and balanced Libra. It is an air sign and is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty. Libras value balance, harmony, and partnership. Why they break up? Libras go to great lengths to maintain harmony and balance in their relationships. They avoid conflict and often put aside their own needs so that others are happy. When a relationship breaks up, they feel they have lost balance, and they fear loneliness. They often blame themselves or overthink their role in the relationship. How they cope. Libras are terrified of being alone after a heartbreak. They seek support in their friends and social circle, but often do not express their pain fully. They analyze the situation, trying to understand what went wrong and where improvements could be made. They have a deep sense of fairness and justice, so they often want to make sure everything ends in a fair way. How they connect. Libras learn from this experience how important self-love is and how to put their own needs before the needs of others. They become more self-reliant and self-confident, understanding that their happiness does not depend on others. They learn to set healthy boundaries in their relationships, making their future relationships stronger and more balanced. 5. Leo. At number 5 is the regal and confident Leo. It is a fire sign and is ruled by the sun, which symbolizes identity and vitality. Leos are generous, loyal, and dramatic in love. Why they break up. Leos want recognition, appreciation, and respect in love. They do great things for their partner and expect the same appreciation and loyalty in return. When they face rejection or disrespect, their ego takes a deep blow. They are heartbroken as they feel their shine fade, and their identity is questioned. They may feel humiliated. How they handle it. After a heartbreak, Leos initially try to hide their pain. They wear a strong mask, pretending they don't care. However, inside they are in a lot of pain. They go out with friends, party, or immerse themselves in creative activities to distract themselves. They need the praise and attention of others so they can feel good again. How they connect. Leos learn from this experience that their self-worth does not depend on the opinions of others. They rediscover their inner strength and shine. They become more humble and compassionate, but retain their dignity and confidence. They understand that true respect comes from within, not from the outside. This experience helps them find a partner who appreciates their true sparkle, not just their outer personality. 6. Taurus. At number 6 is the stable and reliable Taurus. It is an earth sign and is ruled by Venus. Taurus values security, stability, and loyalty. Why they break up. Taurus seek stability and long-term commitment in their relationships. They fall in love slowly, but once they commit, they are incredibly loyal. When their relationship breaks up, especially if they have to face infidelity or insecurity, they suffer a very deep blow. They are heartbroken because their sense of security is shaken, and they find it very difficult to accept change. How to handle it. After a heartbreak, Taurus becomes very stubborn and takes a long time to accept change. They may wallow in their misery and lock themselves in their comfort zone. It takes them a long time to process any kind of major change. They may turn to food or material comforts to comfort themselves. How they connect. Taurus learn from their experiences how important resilience is and how to embrace change. They recognize their inner strength and flexibility. They understand that true security comes from within, not from outside. This experience helps them build relationships that are not only secure, but also allow them to grow and evolve, making them more prepared to face life's ups and downs. 7. Aquarius. At number 7 is the independent and unconventional Aquarius. It is an air sign and is ruled by Uranus, which symbolizes innovation and revolution. Aquarians value their personal space and freedom a lot. Why they break up. Aquarius appreciates mental connection and personal freedom in love. They don't get too deeply emotionally attached, but they feel suffocated when a relationship limits their freedom or tries to tie them down emotionally. When a relationship breaks up, they feel that their ideals have been violated, or they have been misunderstood. They often try to understand emotions with logic. How they handle it. After a heartbreak, Aquarians try to distance themselves from their emotions. They keep themselves busy with a group of friends, social activities, or humanitarian work. They process their pain intellectually, trying to understand what went wrong, but avoid giving in to the emotions. They often pretend they don't care. How they connect. Aquarians learn from this experience how important emotional expression is and how to balance their independence in relationships. They become more emotionally open and accessible without losing their unique identity. They understand that love is not about bondage, but about two free souls growing together. This experience helps them seek out relationships that respect their personal independence and give them space to grow. 8. Capricorn. And last, but certainly not least on our list, is the ambitious and disciplined Capricorn. It is an earth sign and is ruled by Saturn, which symbolizes responsibility, discipline, and structure. Capricorns are also practical and committed in love. Why they break up? Capricorns take their relationships very seriously and with commitment. They want to build a stable, long-term relationship that supports their goals and ambitions. When a relationship breaks up, especially if they feel their time or effort has been wasted, they experience profound disappointment and failure. They may see it as a failure of a major life goal. How they handle it? Capricorns tend to hold their pain inside after a heartbreak. They don't like to appear vulnerable and often immerse themselves in work. They spend time alone to process their grief and don't share their feelings with others. They set a new goal for themselves and focus on it to avoid the pain. How to reconnect? Capricorns learn from this experience how to let go of the need to control and accept emotional vulnerability. They become more compassionate and empathetic, especially towards themselves. They understand that not everything in life goes as planned, and failures are part of learning. This experience helps them build new relationships on a stronger foundation, where they are more willing to express their feelings and trust others. So, friends, this was our list of the top 8 zodiac signs who have the amazing ability to heal from breakups and love. Every zodiac sign experiences pain in their own unique way, but ultimately they all learn from the process and emerge stronger, wiser, and more fulfilled than ever before. Heartbreak can be a difficult experience, but it is also a powerful opportunity for growth and self-discovery. It teaches us who we are, what we need, and how resilient we really are. The story of these zodiac signs reminds us that pain is temporary, but the learnings and self-empowerment that come from it are permanent. Do you relate to any of these zodiac signs? Or is there someone in your life who has rebuilt themselves after falling in love? Let us know in the comments section below how your experience has been and what you have learned from it. We would love to know your thoughts. If you liked this video, do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can watch more such episodes of Rashi Rahasya. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your loved ones, and remember, every heartbreak is an opportunity for a new, stronger beginning.